Alabama residents have a new way to receive warnings when severe weather or other disasters threaten. Governor Kay Ivey announced the activation of a new statewide emergency notification system designed to deliver alerts through cell phones, landlines, television, and radio. Residents can sign up for emergency notifications by texting AL Alert to 77295. For general preparedness information and updates, text AL Info to 77295. The state allocated $1.2 million for the system, which was developed following the deadly July 2025 flooding in Texas. The new alert system is now active statewide. For more local news and the full story, visit calhounjournal.com.